Hello everyone, so welcome to another video, and today I will unbox this Thermaltake Level 20MT ARGB gaming case. This is one of the best mid-tower case from Thermaltake, and you can buy this case from Amazon for as low as $89 US. This case comes with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. There is a built-in fan controller, and you can connect this fan controller to your motherboards using add header cable or DLED cable, and it will enable motherboard sync with these fans. You can also change colors of the fans from the button on the front panel. This case comes with a 5mm tempered glass on the left side and on the front. There are 2 hidden hard drive bays, and you can install 1 SSD on the back of the case. You can also install 1 SSD on the PSU shroud of the case. This case has the best liquid cooling options. You can install 120mm radiator on the back, 240mm radiator on the side, and 360mm radiator on the front of the case. All the air intakes are covered with dust filters, so it helps you keep your case clean and dust free. You can install 3 120mm fans on the front, 2 fans on the top, 2 fans on the bottom, 2 fans on the left side, and 1 fan on the back of the case. Okay, so let's do a test build with this case and see how high-end components look in this case.